Here's another battery trick. Let's say you're about to leave the house and your phone's about dead. So you have 10 minutes before your mom starts yelling at you to get in the car, and you want every last drop of juice you can get. Simply swipe up and turn on airplane mode. That's going to turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and roaming. So there's no signals coming in from your phone and out from your phone, therefore saving you a lot of battery, along with dropping down the brightness all the way and locking your device. It might not seem like much, but on average, airplane mode and your brightness going down can increase charging speeds by at least 4%. Josh, 4%? That's not even... 4% can be a lot. That could be the Clash of Clans game. That could be one more TikTok video before your phone dies. And it only takes a second. Swipe up, airplane mode, brightness down. Thank me later.